Hello guys, so paalis na ako ngayon. Pupunta na ako ng EA Terminal 2. See you in Boracay.
The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water.
So, hi everyone. So, before ko makalimutan, I'm here na pala. At pagod na ako. Gutom na ako. Uhaw na ako. So, lahat na ng kung anong dapat maramdaman, naramdaman ko na. And I'm very excited since it's my first time here in Boracay. And first time solo riding a plane. First time riding a plane in general. Okay, so we have already fixed our things here and now we're going to the beach. So I'm just gonna buy some things first, like tote bag for my everyday bag here. And then sunscreen, of course. And probably necklaces, because I really want pearl necklaces. Oh, especially in Polka. I'll get that one. So let's go. Shit, ang ganda. Grabe ang ganda, guys. Ang ganda. So, ito na pala yung Jonas. Let's get one.
190.
Hi guys! Napakalayo, napakain. Papunta tayo ngayon sa Kulay Mangyan. Kasi I'm hungry and after that I'll probably go to sleep na. Guys, nasa Kulay Mangyan. Good morning. So it's our day 2 today. And I'm just gonna go to a land tour. DIY land tour. No? I'm going to D Mall first to buy some Ho Bus ticket or card. And then I'll go na to Puka Beach direct. Kainan na. So I have here longganisa, long silog, bango, and choco banana toast, and corn tea. Sarap. Bang. Hi guys, bali papunta tayo ngayong dito. I'm very happy because it's very big for here. So ngayon, we're on our way to Puka Beach. Kainit. Ito po. Magkano po sa ganitong necklace?
Sir,
Apa.
100 po.
Sige po, isa po eh. Yung sa bracelet po.
300.
Pag isa lang po.
35.
Sige, isa pong bracelet tsaka isang quintas. $50 rin po yan.
Opo. Ito.
Apa. Sige po, kami ka na. Ay, susuotin ko na po. Welcome to Puka. Malalim ba to eh?
Hindi pa naman kita.
So, mag-swimming tayo dito for a bit. Napakaganda dito sa Boracay. I think we love. So, lapos na tayo sa Puka Beach. Ayun guys, lumagpas tayo. Lumagpas tayo sa kaya ng host. Kaya burger na sa Palawan. This is the back of the white. So I'm on my way to Calma. But I really want to try their matcha. Next level matcha. So, wow! The place is so nice. Look at that. Hi guys, so nandito na tayo sa room and super pagod na ako. Pero I went back here because I need to take a bath and prepare. Dahil mag-church ako today. Pero, so ngayon hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin dahil ang init sa labas. Pero sakto lang. Actually maganda pala sa Calma Cafe. I love Calma Cafe. And mahangin sa Bulabog ngayon. So, samahan niyo ko mamaya. Then after, I'll just go to the mall. And gusto ko mag-ride ng Ferris wheel. Isip bata. Yan lang, wala ko masyadong plans. Actually, tapos ko na yung plans ko. But I haven't really been to the Nivid and the mangroves. Yun na lang yung priority ko bukas after the parasailing. So, see you. Hey guys, katapos na lang sa church, mass. So I'm on my way na sa White Beach. Ano ng buhok ko? Pero okay lang yung messy. Update ka na lang kayo dito. So, ang goal is to find the Chori Burger. I think I found it. So, I think this one. Oh, diba? Oh no, this is... tama no. I'm looking for Merle's. Pero okay na. Dito na lang. Day 3 and I'm gonna go RC. I'm not sure nga actually kasi medyo pangit yung pala. Kind of close to the feels so, hindi tayo sa Astoria, Boracay. Oh, dude. Lalim ah. Yeah, kind of. So guys, this is a Willis Rock. And pabalik na ako. Sorry, ngayon lang ako nagpag-update kasi ganito, muntik na kami. So ngayon papunta tayo sa mangrove. Since hindi tayo nakapunta kakapit. And sa Dini for sunset dito. Update ko na lang kayo later. So ayun guys, we're near na the what do you call this? Mangrove something. You know, it's very hanging. Guys. So we're here na mangrove. Wow. Dito tayo kakain guys. Crab daw siya, but it looks like a fish. Just the crab. Ah, lapo-lapo pala siya. Para pala siyang ako. Yun yung taas ko. Sarap naman pala. Sarap. Morning. So, I'm just walking here lang sa White Beach. Because it's my last day. I'm very sad, but my heart is so happy. So, it's fine. And bibila lang ako pasalubong. See you. So hello, nakatambay lang tayo sa beach bago umuwi. Nakayupo lang tayo sa tour guys.